growing up, I never really experienced or witnessed racism. I didn't. It wasn't anything that ever came to my door. Um, I never really experienced racism until I went to prison. And when I went to prison, I witnessed it in its rawest form. I saw how there was a definite difference in the way people of color was treated. And take, for instance, even with my co-defendant that one of my co-conspirators that was arrested right prior to me being arrested. He was a man of color, a good friend of mine. We were really, really tight. And we both went up on charges. His was less than mine. His charges were a little less than mine. And we both got sentenced to prison. We went to prison. Um, I got sentenced to 21 years. Okay, but I got out in 3.5. He got sentenced to 11 and he did 8. So to give you an idea, I don't know that would have happened had he been white or I had been black. I don't know if the roles would have been reversed or what, but I see that sort of thing happen all the time. And whenever these individuals, when they come out of prison, they sit across the desk from me, and they're angry. They're angry for the way they've been treated while they were in, and all. So they have not only being a person of color, now they're a person of color that has a prison record, and they're going to have to try to navigate through reintegration, and sometimes that's extremely difficult. So